Look around you. Everything you see is being acted upon by forces. A force is simply a push or a pull. Forces can make things start moving, stop moving, change direction, or even change shape. They are invisible, but their effects are everywhere. One of the most common forces is gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. On Earth, gravity pulls everything towards the center of our planet. This is why when you drop something, it falls to the ground. Gravity keeps our feet on the ground and prevents us from floating away. It's a constant pull that affects everything with mass. Another important force is friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion when two surfaces rub against each other. It acts in the opposite direction of movement. Friction is what helps you walk without slipping. It's also why a rolling ball eventually slows down and stops. The rougher the surfaces, the more friction there is. Magnetism is a force that attracts or repels certain materials like iron and steel. You've probably seen magnets sticking to a refrigerator door. Magnets have poles, a north and a south pole. Opposite poles attract each other, while like poles repel each other. This invisible force can work even without the objects touching. Let's see gravity and friction at work. You can try this at home with a ramp, like a piece of cardboard or a book, and a toy car. Set up the ramp so one end is higher than the other. Place the toy car at the top of the ramp and let it go. What happens? Gravity pulls the car down the ramp. As the car rolls, friction between the wheels and the ramp and friction with the air tries to slow it down. Try using different surfaces for the ramp, like a smooth board and a rough carpet. Does the car roll faster or slower on one compared to the other? That difference is due to friction. Forces rarely act alone. Gravity pulls you down, but the floor pushes back up with an equal force, keeping you in place. When you push a door open, you apply a force. Friction in the hinges and air resistance oppose your push slightly. Understanding these forces helps us understand how the world works. From walking to launching rockets, forces are fundamental. Forces like gravity, friction, and magnetism are constantly shaping our world. They are pushes and pulls that affect how objects move and interact. By observing and experimenting, we can learn more about these powerful, invisible forces that are all around us. Keep exploring and noticing the forces in action every day.